Hello friends, welcome to my channel Physics with Rakshit. In the present video, I'm going to explain relationship between chess game and physics. Earlier I have explained research and methodology in physics. What happens? First of all, physicists try to observe any natural phenomena. Thereafter, based on observation, he or she will build a hypothesis. Thereafter, he or she will design an experiment which either prove that hypothesis or oppose that hypothesis. If that experiment proves hypothesis, it will be converted into physical law. If it opposes, physicists again have to start from initial three stages, that is observations, building hypothesis and designing experiments. So this is how research methodology of physics work. Similar to this, in chess game, if you observe chess game, same methodology is there. And that is why famous Nobel laureate physicist Richard Feynman once told that discovering the laws of physics is like trying to learn the laws of chess just by observing chess games. Suppose you don't know chess game, how to play chess game, and you are just observing two players who are playing chess game. And by microscopic and small observation, you can understand that how any piece of chessboard move. For instance, bishop moves diagonally. Since diagonal squares are always same color, and it explains why bishops stay on the same color. So this is how, just by observation, without knowing the actual rules of chess, you can understand how chess game works. Let us see how these laws of chess are relatable in physics. Discovering Einstein's gravity theory from Newton's theory is similar to this kind of observation. How in chess, pieces cannot change their identity, though pawns which reaches to the other end of the board is promoted and violates actual laws of chess. In that case, same thing was happened. Einstein found that Newton's theory of gravity is wrong and found universal gravity theory, which is accepted universally nowadays. Another thing is, famous mathematician Claude Shannon once calculated that the number of chess games is greater than number of atoms in whole universe, which is known as Shannon number. He estimated this number as 10 raised to 120. Just imagine. In other words, there are even more possible variation of chess games than there are atoms in observable universe. And this is known as Shannon number, which represents all possible moves or variation in games. In technical words, it is known as game tree complexity of chess, whose value is of the order of 10 raised to 120. So chess involves mathematics, physics, statistics, psychology, probability, even computing. So chess uses falsification concept, which is very useful in research methodology of physics. Falsification is a kind of concept which is used to validate any kind of physical theory. So it also helps to understand computing. Chess provides an ideal platform for developing and testing algorithm in artificial intelligence, in machine learning and decision theories. These all concepts are experimentally proved. Chess is actually helpful in learning and testing algorithms in artificial intelligence, learning machine language and machine learning, machine technology and decision theory. So this is how chess game is helpful in modern physics, in information theory. Another thing is, once One physicist, Mark Barthélemy, published a research article in Physical Review E in which he considered chess game as a complex system. He used graph theory to explain chess as a complex system. How? Let us see. According to him, chess produces a handy metric that can help to predict tipping points in matches. What is tipping point? Tipping point is a kind of metaphor which are small pieces or moves to which are proved to be useful in matches to be decisive in any kind of chess match. So he imagined the chess match as a network of forces in which pieces are as the network's nodes and the way they interact represent the edges using an interaction graph to capture how different pieces attack and defend another. So this is how he used graph theory to explain attack and defense of various pieces in chess game. Another thing is pieces that interact with many other pieces in a match by measuring how frequently a node lie on the shortest path between all nodes point in particular match. And he assigned fragility point. How? Let us see. What is fragility point? Let me explain. Fragility point or fragility score indicates how easy it is to move critical pieces from the board. As I explained, those pieces which interact, attack, and defend more frequently with other are critical pieces of chessboard. And by fragility score, what I mean to say is it indicates how easy it to remove critical pieces from the board. And by this way, one can understand particular pattern present in the chessboard. He identified the presence of universal pattern in the chess game. And by this way, he told that such kind of universal pattern is helpful in understanding physical laws. As we all know that in physics, there are several universal patterns which are helpful to understand nature. Another concept is quantum chess, in which physicists apply various concepts of quantum mechanics to chessboard and to see whether it is helpful or not. Let us see. In this chess, players have the ability to perform quantum moves in addition to standard moves. If you play chess regularly, you might have aware about think that even a single move of any piece will give several possibility of number of chessboards. And that is why Shannon assigned 10 raised to 120 possibility of chess games. Then we are talking about quantum chess. So it is more complex system than standard chess. So what happens in quantum chess? Number of possible board is not fixed, and all possible boards exist in a superposition. And each time a player makes a quantum move, the number of possible boards present in a superposition double. It is like Schrodinger's cat paradox. Schrodinger's cat is both alive and dead. So there are 50% possibility of any piece on particular position and 50% possibility on another position. So this is how quantum chess works. How it is helpful to physical community and various scientific community. Let us see. Quantum chess involves superposition, entanglement, and correlation. Various entangled pairs or pieces, pairs of pieces will be correlated with each other, and this is how moves of each piece will affect the moves of another piece. And by this analogy, it is helpful to understand quantum computing, quantum information theory, and modern physics. So this is how quantum chess uses various concept of quantum mechanics to understand physics in more clear way. So this is how chess and physics are related with each other intimately. Thanks for listening and watching. If you have any question regarding this relationship, you can ask in the comment section. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel.